Hi, I'm Madonna. This little meditation is designed to help ground you, reconnect pathways in your brain, and add peace, harmony, and happiness into our lives. Find yourself in a comfortable position. Take a few deep breaths. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Any outside distractions are simply there to remind you that life is busy. Life is good. We can cope with any distractions. Feel any tension in your body. Take a moment or two to find any discomfort. Just say it's in your neck and shoulders. I want you to tighten those parts of your body and relax. As you're breathing in, imagine a blue, white light, healing light coming into your body, encompassing every cell in your body. As you breathe out, imagine all negativity, stress, sadness, anger released through your breath. Breathe in healing energy. Breathe out negativity and daily challenges. So firstly, we're going to switch on your central meridian. Run your hand from your pubic bone up to the chin. This is a meridian that feeds energy to your conscious brain. Breathe in healing energy and breathe out your stresses. Now we're going to rub our switching points. Firstly, put one hand on the navel. Use your other hand to rub your tailbone. Breathe in and out. Now swap your hands over. Hand on the navel and rub your tailbone. Breathe in and out. This helps to reconnect the front and back of the brain. Now we're going to rub our left and right kidney 27s just below the collarbone. Hand on the navel, left and right kidney 27s just in here. And rub these little points and breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now swap your hands over and rub. Breathe in healing energy. Breathe out negativity. These kidney 27 points help to reconnect the left and right sides of the brain. Okay, so now, still with one hand on the navel, I want you to rub the top and bottom lips for a moment. This is helping to improve connections between the top and bottom parts of the brain. Breathe in and out. And swap your hands over. Breathe in and out. Now run your central meridian again around 3 times. Each time gently releasing any pent-up energy off to the side, increasing your conscious brain power each time you do this movement. Breathe in and out. Now we'll do a gentle technique to reconnect the celestial circuit. I want you to put your tongue on the roof of your mouth and your hands over your base chakra. While you're breathing in and out with this process, it's reconnecting 2 major meridians that are to do with conscious and unconscious brain power. So as we're breathing in and out, just imagine a connection between the roof of your mouth, which is in the governing meridian, and the base chakra, which is at the end of your central meridian, and each time knowing it's creating a figure 8 energy inside your body that's actually connecting your conscious and unconscious pathways in the brain. Tongue on the roof of the mouth, breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Having a solid connection in your celestial circuit helps us to stay more positive, have a clearer mind, and stay more connected in our daily lives. Can you feel the energy in your base chakra? Sometimes the hand will literally want to start to move. The more you do this technique, the more you may feel that sometimes your chakra is cold, indicating poor circulation, or it may be hot, indicating inflammation or the fact that it's overworking. Your base chakra or your root chakra is to do with feeling grounded, safe, secure in your daily lives. Breathe in and out. Just sending love to your base chakra. Now you can remove the tongue from the roof of the mouth, and I'm going to get you to put 2 fingers on your emotional stress release points. They're between your eyebrows and your hairline. Hold these points gently, gently. Can you feel a pulse underneath your fingertips? Breathe in and out. As the pulse comes through underneath your fingers, there's better energy in your frontal cortex, more brain power. Imagine a golden light in the front of your brain, releasing all stress, allowing more energy, more emotional stability, motivation, positivity, your happiness increasing. Imagine this golden light increasing throughout your brain. Feel the connections of your brain working in harmony. A sense of peace, a sense of well-being, a sense of peace and oneness with the world around you, with your friends, your family, peace with yourself. Now we'll reconnect your brain energy to your heart energy. Hold one hand on your forehead and the other hand over your heart. Our aim is to feel the pulse and the breathing evenly over each area. Imagine an energetic connection moving from your brain to your heart. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. You may feel it like a small string or thread that's connecting your heart to your brain energy, with a little amount of electrical energy traveling up and down this thread. What happens over a period of breaths is that the pulse under our hand and our pulse in our heart, we feel them start to equalize and normalize. Breathe in and out. Take a moment to think of some happy times in your life. What has made you feel the happiest? Fill yourself with how you feel in these moments. Feel the peace, the exhilaration, the love, the happiness, the connections, and that feeling of how can I make this moment last? Breathe in and out. Breathe in healing energy. Breathe out negativity, stress, and painful memories. Breathe in and out. Take another few deep breaths and bring yourself back into the present. Shake your hands, feel your body relax. Feel that sense of relaxation that's permeating every cell in your body. You can use this meditation any time that you feel you need to de-stress, to rebalance. Anytime you need an anti-anxiety, an anti-panic attack tool. These processes will become part of your muscle memory, and you can do any of these processes anytime to bring balance and peace into your life. You can use your central meridians anytime, anywhere. You can rub your centering, put your points that help to reconnect the left and right hemispheres of the brain. You can use the points that help to reconnect the top and bottom energy of your brain. You can put your tongue on the roof of the mouth and hand over the base chakra for 10-20 seconds anytime to reconnect your celestial circuit. And once again, breathe in healing energy. Breathe out negativity. And now, have a wonderful day.